Today, we are going to study the structure of a volcano. Volcano. It refers to the mountain or hill, typically conical, having a crater or vent in which lava, rock fragments, hot vapor, and gas are or have been erupted from the Earth's crust. Lava and other volcanic materials originated from the molten materials called magma, found beneath the surface of the Earth. Magma and other volcanic materials are finding its way to the surface where they are expelled through openings like cracks and holes. Any activity that includes the movement of magma towards or onto the surface is called volcanism. Parts of a volcano. Summit, the highest point or the apex of the volcano. At the summit, you have an opening called vent. Slopes, the sides or flanks of a volcano that radiate from the main or the central vent. Base, the lower part of the volcano. Other geologic features of a volcano. Magma chamber, or region beneath the vent of a volcano where molten rock or magma is deposited or stored before eruption. Main vent, the main opening or outlet on the surface of a volcano that emits lava, gases, ash, or other volcanic materials. Conduit, an underground central tube-like or pipe-like structure of a volcano that connects the magma chamber to the crater through which the magma travels. Side vent is a smaller outlet through which magma escapes. Crater is the mouth of the volcano, which is funnel-shaped or bowl-shaped, hollow at the top of the vent from which magma, ash, and gas comes out. Lava is a molten rock which is given off onto the surface of the earth when the volcano erupts. Ash and gas cloud is a mixture of rock, minerals, glass particles, and gases expelled or pushed out of the volcano during volcanic eruption. To summarize, the parts of the volcano are ash cloud, crater, vent, side vent, lava flow, ashfall, conduit, and magma chamber. Thank you for watching!